Experience driving perfection in the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.